Close right here. Right there, right there. You have to squeeze a window. Right, good shot. Look at that, nice shot. I think we got him too. I think so. Okay, been tracking this one till it got dark on us while we were tracking it.
Nice phone. Right on. One more. One more
Good.
for the obsession.
This is a nice one, nice big wide one. Alright, kind of hard to video right now, but hopefully we get some of this. Nice ram. Ram down.